In this video, I'll show you how to open tickets on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. So it's going to be a basic tutorial video, right? If you're a newbie wanting to learn how to open a ticket on Discord, ensure you watch through this video. So I just joined this server right now, and I'm going to show you how you can carefully open a ticket, right? So as it can reach the server admin, server owners, or whatsoever, right? So this is the welcome channel. So each channel must have the ticket channel, right? So look for the ticket channel. I'm going to scroll down. You can see it right here, the tickets or support. So I'm going to click on this ticket right now. Once it has opened up, you'll see this create ticket. Click on this create ticket. Once you have clicked on it, it's going to load up manually now, right? Okay, let me see. I'm going to click on this. Okay, you can see right here my ticket is number 4341. I'll click on it, right? Once I put the ticket, so I can come on here and type in, let me say, glad to be here, right? So this basically just fits tutorial. What I'm done, I'm going to click on the enter. I'm going to send it. So I'm going to get a feedback from any of these people, the moderator, the mini mod, or the owner, right? So this is basically how you can create or how you can open ticket here on Discord. This is a step-by-step beginner's guide. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. If you got any questions want to ask me, do that as well below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.